Ever wondered what sets millionaires apart from the rest? Is it their mindset, habits, or decision-making skills? In this video, we'll dive into the psychology of millionaires and uncover the unique thought patterns that contribute to their success. From embracing risk to developing a growth mindset, we'll explore the key differences in how millionaires think and what you can learn from them to upgrade your own thinking. So, if you're ready to adopt a millionaire mindset and take your life to the next level, watch until the end. Millionaires think differently because they focus on opportunities instead of obstacles. They see challenges as stepping stones rather than roadblocks and believe in finding solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Their mindset is built on long-term vision, knowing that wealth is created over time through persistence, strategy, and smart decisions. They understand the power of money and make it work for them instead of trading time for income. Instead of saving for security, they invest for growth, allowing their wealth to multiply through assets like businesses, stocks, real estate, and innovations. They embrace calculated risks and know that playing it too safe often leads to missed opportunities. Millionaires value learning and self-improvement, constantly expanding their knowledge through books, mentors, and experiences. They surround themselves with like-minded, ambitious individuals who challenge and inspire them. They recognize that success is not just about what they know but also about who they know and how they leverage their network. They take ownership of their results, holding themselves accountable for their successes and failures. Excuses and blame have no place in their mindset. They believe in action, knowing that waiting for the perfect time or conditions leads to stagnation. Their ability to adapt, stay disciplined, and remain committed to their goals sets them apart from the majority. Wealthy individuals think in terms of abundance rather than scarcity. They believe there is always enough to go around and that success is not a limited resource. Instead of competing, they collaborate, knowing that growth comes from creating value and solving problems for others. They understand that the more people they help, the more wealth they can build. Their perspective on failure is different. Instead of fearing it, they embrace it as a learning experience. They understand that setbacks are temporary and that resilience is key to long-term success. Every failure is a lesson that sharpens their strategy and strengthens their determination. Millionaires cultivate discipline, patience, and focus. They set clear goals, break them into actionable steps, and stay committed even when results are not immediate. They do not get distracted by trends or short-term gratification but stay dedicated to their vision. Their ability to think ahead, make sacrifices, and stay persistent ensures their continued success. What do millionaires know that you don't? Studies show that nearly 90% of millionaires believe mindset plays a bigger role in wealth creation than money itself. While the average person sees money as something to earn and spend, millionaires view it as a tool to create more opportunities. They focus on possibilities instead of limitations, seeing challenges as stepping stones rather than barriers. Instead of dwelling on problems, they look for solutions and take calculated risks that lead to long-term growth. They understand that success is a game of patience, discipline, and persistence, knowing that wealth is built over time, not overnight. Millionaires don't just work for money, they make money work for them. While most people rely on a single paycheck, they prioritize investments in assets like businesses, real estate, and stocks that generate passive income. They know that financial freedom comes from ownership and leverage, not just earning a high salary. Continuous learning is a priority. Instead of seeking entertainment, they invest time in reading, networking, and acquiring new skills. They surround themselves with like-minded, ambitious individuals who challenge their thinking and push them to grow. They know that success is influenced not just by knowledge but also by the people they associate with. They take full responsibility for their outcomes. Excuses and blame have no place in their mindset. If something isn't working, they adjust, learn, and keep moving forward. Their ability to take action, stay focused, and adapt to challenges sets them apart from those who hesitate or wait for the right time. While most people operate from a mindset of scarcity, fearing loss and competition, millionaires embrace abundance. They believe in creating value and solving problems, knowing that wealth flows to those who help others. Instead of seeing money as a limited resource, they see endless opportunities to build and multiply it. Failure doesn't intimidate them. While others fear mistakes, they see setbacks as lessons that refine their strategy. They understand that resilience, not perfection, leads to success. Every challenge is a learning opportunity that sharpens their decision-making and strengthens their resolve. The difference isn't just in income, it's in thinking. Millionaires cultivate discipline, patience, and vision. They set clear goals, break them into actionable steps, and stay committed even when success isn't immediate. While many chase instant gratification, they focus on long-term wealth, knowing that true financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. What do millionaires know that you don't? Studies show that nearly 90% of millionaires believe mindset plays a bigger role in wealth creation than money itself. While the average person sees money as something to earn and spend, millionaires view it as a tool to create more opportunities. Sara Blakely, the founder of Spanx. Before becoming a billionaire, she faced countless rejections while trying to bring her innovative shapewear idea to market. Unlike most people who would have given up after hearing no repeatedly, Sara embraced failure as part of the journey. She credits her success to a mindset instilled in her by her father, who encouraged her to fail and learn from it. Instead of seeing rejection as a reason to quit, she saw it as feedback and an opportunity to refine her approach. Sara didn't wait for permission or validation. She invested her own savings into her business, believing in its potential when no one else did. She focused on solutions rather than obstacles, creatively navigating the challenges of product development, manufacturing, and marketing. She personally pitched her product to department stores, refusing to take no for an answer. Her belief in abundance over scarcity also played a key role. She didn't view the fashion industry as an exclusive club she couldn't enter. Instead, she saw a gap in the market and positioned herself as the one to fill it. By focusing on solving a real problem for women, she created massive demand for her product, turning Spanx into a global brand. Like many millionaires, she didn't rely on a single source of income. She leveraged her initial success to expand her product line, invest in new ventures, and build a business empire. She understood that wealth grows through ownership and reinvestment, not just earning a high salary. Her story is a testament to the power of resilience, resourcefulness, and the ability to think differently. While most people fear failure, millionaires embrace it as a stepping stone to success. They understand that wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset, action, and persistence. Sara Blakely, the founder of Spanx, went from selling fax machines door to door to becoming the world's youngest self-made female billionaire. What set her apart wasn't just a great product, it was her mindset, resilience, and ability to think differently. Blakely had an idea for better-fitting shapewear, but she had no background in fashion, no connections in the industry, and only $5,000 in savings. When she approached manufacturers to produce her product, she was rejected by every single one. Many told her there was no market for her idea. Instead of giving up, Blakely adopted a problem-solving mindset. She kept calling manufacturers until one finally agreed. She then took control of the marketing and branding, personally pitching her product to major retailers. She convinced a buyer at Neiman Marcus to try the product herself, which led to Spanx being stocked in stores. Blakely also used a scarcity to abundance mindset. She didn't have a marketing budget, so she leveraged creative strategies. She sent free Spanx to celebrities and TV hosts, which led to Oprah Winfrey endorsing the brand as one of her favorite things. This single endorsement skyrocketed Spanx's visibility and sales. Within the first year, Spanx generated $4 million in revenue. Within 5 years, it hit $150 million. Blakely retained full ownership, and in 2012, she became the world's youngest self-made female billionaire. Blakely saw rejection as feedback, not failure. She found alternative ways to get her product made and sold. She reinvested in the business instead of chasing quick profits. Instead of playing it safe, she took bold actions, pitching directly to top retailers and leveraging unique marketing tactics. She didn't see the fashion industry as impenetrable, she saw an opportunity to innovate and disrupt it. Blakely's story proves that the millionaire mindset isn't about luck or privilege. It's about resilience, creativity, and the willingness to keep going when others quit. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think sets millionaires apart? Do you believe mindset plays a bigger role than money itself? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're ready to take your wealth building journey to the next level, check out this video on powerful strategies to grow your income and create financial freedom.